What's up, guys? It's Frank and this is Graybird Garage. So we got a couple of things in the garage today. Got a set of Armorlite flooring and we got a nice Pypes exhaust going on my wife's 2014 JKU, and we're going to get that Jeep in the shop. My wife Amy will be out to give me a hand with the exhaust system in a couple of minutes, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step of this process is obviously to remove the old exhaust. I've been underneath here already. I sprayed down the hardware with some PB Blaster, and the exhaust hangers themselves I hit with some WD-40. And then everything's got to come off all the way to the back, because this is a catback system from Pypes. It rusted and sheared off. That's great. That's perfect. I'll grab the other one. So the reason why we went out of our way to take this muffler off is because we actually promised it to a friend of ours. It's actually still in really good shape. It's only a couple of years old, and it's a Gibson. So my buddy Sean's getting that, and we're gonna get back to work taking the rest of the exhaust system off Shady later. All right, so we got all the hangers off. Everything's loose. Now we just need to get it off from over here. Alright, so here's everything for the new Pypes exhaust. Got your mid pipe, your tailpipe, and then the Street Pro muffler with the dual tips. And of course it came with these gorgeous black exhaust tips. They're gonna look amazing on this Jeep. Has all your pipe clamps and your rubber hangers. So next step, we're going to get everything up there, line it all up, bolt it down. We'll be good from there. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Once you get the mid pipe and the tailpipe settled where they're supposed to go, it's simply a matter of putting the muffler in the stock location where the hangers are, and one more exhaust clamp it all together. And we took her out for a test drive, listening for any leaks. No exhaust leaks. Everything's nice and tight. She sounds great and she looks great. So there you have it. The exhaust went on pretty easy. Wasn't too bad, wasn't too difficult. We planned on doing the Armalite today, but I just got a call from the detail guy, Curb Appeal Detailing, and the Corvette's ready to be picked up. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a day on the Jeep and go pick up the vet. So Armalite for another day, and I'll see you guys on the next video.